Hi, my name is John, and I am a customer of Omnitech CNC. I purchased my Omnitech 1325 about 2.5 years ago from a salesman named Zhang, and there was no moment where I was unhappy in any time in the purchase. We basically kind of came in contact through Facebook on a CNC users forum, and I was talking to a friend about how I wanted to get a bigger CNC than the small one that I had. And Alan reached out to me and asked me what he could sell me, and it was kind of ironic because I honestly thought I was giving him more CNC than he would be willing to sell me. The reason for that had nothing to do with Alan, but everything to do with my concern about purchasing something that had come across any of the oceans, but particularly the Pacific, because I was an Air Force pilot, and it's a 12-hour drive even when you're flying to Japan, and of course Omnitech is in China, so it's even a little further. And I have had friends who had things wash off the top of boats when they were moving back from overseas, and so I was just really concerned about purchasing a piece of heavy equipment from overseas. It didn't matter where it was coming from, because I just had friends who had bad experiences with the shipping and stuff. But Alan worked out a really great deal for me. I was very happy with the CNC. It's much more than I ever expected to purchase. And he sent me pictures throughout the process to let me know what the CNC, what phase of building it was in, and the deal was everything I wanted and more. And I've been very, very happy with it. And now that I have it in my garage, I have been able to do things, make things with it that I could never have made on my small CNC. So it is just, I'm very, very happy with it. The quality of the CNC, I've used other kinds of CNCs. I've taught on other kinds of CNCs. I won't use any names, but I'll just tell you that this is every bit the quality of those other CNCs, and they cost more than twice what the Omnitech 1325 costs. So I am going into a small side business, and it does everything that I need for it. It's great for making countertops, doors, and if you want to do the odd 3D cutting, of course it does a great job with that also. So I have just been very, very happy with it, and I highly recommend Omnitech as a place to look at CNCs. They sell a great variety, and they've got, I'm sure, something that you'll be interested in. I recommend contacting Alan Zhang. His email is omnisales6, that's all one word, at omni-cnc.com. So you want to reach out to him and contact him about getting a good deal on a CNC. My understanding is that their CNCs are, they've got quite a good sale going on right now, and they come with my recommendation. So in any event, thanks for listening to me. I hope you have a great day, and once again, thanks Alan for reaching out to me. Take care.